climb this tree. Already you can start the Jihad bhai actually negotiating with the boatman, and his first asking was 700 per hour, but now let's see what happened. So Jihad bhai is saying 300. Okay, I think the boat is confirmed. This one maybe.
Maruf,
So we took some peanuts from here. So let's see how it's going. I think if my daughter come here, she will be more happy with seeing these balloons and other stuff. Okay, let's get into the boat. So that's a small boat. If it's saying so he's our boatman. Okay, he's asking to remove our shoes. It's pretty wet, so okay, the shoes is off. Let's leave it here. I'm pretty scaring to be on top of this board. It's pretty small. I don't know how it's looking. It's pretty small. So now we're leaving the boat. We're leaving the shore. Okay, let's leave my bag. It's pretty. Okay. So we are on boat right now, and as you can see, we are going to there. Between the upazilas of Bashail and Shokipur in Tangail lies a vast wetland that may still haven't heard of. The name Basulia Beel may not be famous yet, but those who have been there know this place holds a kind of peace that hard to describe. Deep, quiet and pure. During the monsoon, in the rainy season, the entire Beel goes underwater. All around there is just endless water and the mirror sky. A paved road cuts through this landscape, and on either side gentle waves, soft winds and almost dreamlike silence. In the heart of this tranquil world, one thing still stands: an ancient hazel tree rooted deep in the middle of the Beel. It's not just a tree, it's a symbol, a landmark of beauty, history, and deep-rooted cultural emotion for the local people. Right.
Recent year, the area around Basulia Beel has developed two small food stalls lined the roads,
offering tea, fried snacks, fresh coconuts, and light meals. However, afternoon can get quite hot. The best time to visit is morning or late afternoon when we came here actually, especially when the setting sun cast golden reflection on the water.
So let me show you something. Look at this. So this is a hazel tree.
According to the local lore, this tree floated here long ago during a flood, and then it stayed. It took root. For more than a century, it has weathered floods, storms, and cyclones, standing tall and proud. So people come here far and wide, especially during the rainy season, to float around the hazel tree. There are small paddle boats and larger engine boats too. Rates vary from 300 to 1000 Dhaka per hour depending on the size and type of the boat. But beyond the fun and photos lies a spiritual story. For the local Hindu community, this tree is sacred. Every year in the Bengali month of Magh, they hold the Siddheshwari Puja here. A week-long fair unfolds around the tree where prayers, culture, and community come together. But with the beauty comes responsibility. As more people discovering this hidden gem, crowds grow, especially on public holidays like Friday and Saturday. Some climb the hazel tree, break its branches, damage it, not realizing that this tree isn't just wood and leaves. It's a living history, a sacred symbol for the Hindu community, a barrier of the local identity.
I will also try to climb the tree. I don't know I will fall down or not. Let's see what happens. But it's pretty risky not to do that. I already climbed the tree.
Ayan.
Okay, we are on the top of the tree and nearby on top of mine. Careful. So, this is dawn time and according to the local, there could be ghosts in the tree. I don't know if I get by someone. down. Nearby নিচে নামলাম.
Just stay one more night. I'll be.
So their fun almost done, and now it's time to return. So we stayed here almost 42 minutes. Another 20 minutes is remaining, so we will stay here or somewhere else in the middle of this bill. Then we will actually leave. So they're still having fun, as you can see. The friend group. Okay, let's go. So we stayed here for around 40 minutes. Now we are leaving, and it's almost 7 p.m. We will get our bike and try to return home as soon as possible. You're there. Okay, thank you, bhai. না না ল্যাংটা কোনো ভিডিও নাই নয়তো ল্যাংটা কোনো ভিডিও নাই আপনারা কি পলায় টলায় আসছেন তাহলে পলায় টলায় আসছেন নাকি না না চাপ নাই নয়শো actually they're pretty afraid of releasing their video on social media, which I'm not gonna do. So no pressure.
And it not just monsoon that make it magical. In winter season, mustard flowers bloom all around, turning the landscape into a sea of yellow, as if nature itself has taken the brush and painted the earth in golden strokes. So we must remember this place will stay beautiful only if we protect it. Let's treat the tree with respect. Let's leave no trash behind into the bill. Let's preserve what makes this bill so unique.
So Basulia